If you want to install Google Ads with WP Full Pictures module, you need to get conversion ID from your Google Ads account. In this video, I will show you exactly that, and I will also show you how you can get conversion labels. You'll need labels if you want to track conversions of different types on your website, for example, form submissions, purchases, additions to cart, etc. So, first, you need to go and visit your Google Ads account. Now, depending on whether you're using the new or the old menu, you may find some of the things I'm going to show you in different places. If you have a new menu, so this is the one that I'm using right now, you need to go to Goals, Conversions, and Summary. If you have an old menu, so let me just show you, you need to go to Tools, then to Measurement, and then go to Conversions. So you will end up in both cases on the same page. Now let me simply switch back to the new design. Okay, so here we are. So depending on whether you have a new Google Ads account or you've already had it for some time, you may find here some lists of actions or conversion actions that you may want to track on your websites, for example, purchases. So if you have these tables empty, you need to create your own conversion action. However, if you have them already visible here, the only thing you need to do is to click the conversion action that is not used. Like for example, here we have some test purchase conversion. You need to go to Tag Setup, use Google Tag Manager, and here you have the conversion ID and conversion label that you can use in your modules settings panel. Now let me now show you what the situation will look like, what the process will look like if you don't have anything here. So then you need to create a conversion action. Now you need to choose a website, and here you need to provide the address of your site. Okay. All right, now let's click Scan. And here at the bottom you need to click Add a conversion action manually. Then you need to choose what type of conversion will it be. Is it going to be a purchase, add to basket event, begin checkout, subscribe, etc. So for the purpose of this video, I'll choose purchase, which is the most common. Here you may want to choose whether you want to track all the details of this conversion and use it for optimization, ad optimization, or not. In most cases, I recommend leaving it as it is. Then you need to give this conversion a name. Next, you need to either provide a value of this conversion, don't provide any value, or let WP Full Picture send the value with the event. Now, WP Full Picture sends conversion values with WooCommerce conversions, such as purchases, checkouts, and additions to cart. However, it does not do it for conversions that are more custom, like for example when somebody clicks a specific element on your page, someone clicks an affiliate link, etc. Right? So if you are setting up a conversion for such action, you may want to provide a numerical value here, of course if it makes sense for your business. If not, then don't use any value. And for WooCommerce events, you need to choose this one, use different values for each conversion. Then you need to choose how often will these conversions count. Like, for example, when somebody makes a purchase, then of course you would need every purchase to be counted as a conversion. However, when somebody clicks on, like, I don't know, like a telephone link on your website and does it several times, so should every click be counted as a conversion? I don't know. This is for you to decide. So now we need to save and continue. And here in the next step, we need to choose Use Google Tag Manager. And here is the conversion ID and the conversion label that you need to paste in your WP Full Pictures settings panel. Conversion ID is the same for all your conversions, and you enter it here. Conversion labels are specific to the conversions that you want to track, and they are different every time. And this is everything that you need to do in order to set up Google Ads on your WP Full Picture plugin. Thank you.